go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today is just going to be a really quick clean with me, or even a relaxing clean with me. Nothing crazy, no deep cleaning or anything like that. I did not have a lot of time, but I wanted to use this time to really tidy up my whole downstairs. I'm sure you guys can all relate, and we've just been in and out of the house running errands and just getting things prepared. But we also had a trip to Disneyland. We had it planned for quite some time, and I am really glad it worked out and we were able to make it down there. But needless to say, we have had a really busy couple of days, and I was feeling so overwhelmed with not just everything going on, but I was feeling so overwhelmed with everything that I was falling behind on inside the house. So I just wanted to use this time and tidy up my downstairs. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me and share with you some extreme cleaning motivation. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and it does give you motivation to get some things done. So put me up on whatever device you're watching me on, and let's get started. Okay, you guys did see in the beginning of this video, I started a load of laundry. I really wanted to try and get at least one load done while I was doing this whole cleaning routine. So I started a load of laundry before I even started anything else. But generally, I really like to come into the kitchen and make that my first priority. I love starting in here because once it's done and knocked out, I feel so productive, and I just feel like half my list is done, even though that's not always the case. But sometimes the kitchen can be such a daunting task. It takes forever, and there are some days where I have literally zero motivation to do any part of the kitchen. So I love coming in here and just getting it done and over with. Do you guys have a specific room that you like to start in if you have a cleaning routine, or do you just kind of start in whatever room you feel like? Let me know down in the comments. So I wanted to just take a minute and say welcome to anyone who is new to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this. If this is your first video that you're seeing, or even if you're coming back to my channel, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. But my name is Lauren, of course, and on my channel I share a ton of cleaning motivation, a little bit of organizing, decluttering, some decorating, just anything and everything that really encourages you guys to have a happy and clean home. And I absolutely love sharing it with you guys. So if you enjoy content like that, be sure to subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family. But let's go ahead and get back to it and get some cleaning done. On this particular day, it had been raining like crazy, and I actually shared this over on Instagram. It had been raining so much that half my backyard was completely flooded, and I ended up having to do a quick outfit change because I got completely soaked. I had that major flooding issue and I was trying to get it to drain, and it was just it was crazy. So yeah. Do you guys live in a place where you get lots of rain, or are you here in a place like Southern California where we just don't get a ton of rain? Because this is definitely unusual. When it does rain, I absolutely love it because I love the rain. So I really wish it rained more often, but when it does, we definitely take advantage of it. So this was something else that I had on my to-do list. I needed to kind of cut up some strawberries. We had stopped by Costco to do a quick grocery run on our way back from Disneyland, and I had picked up these container of strawberries because sadly I had to throw out a really almost full container of strawberries. They had gone bad, so I really try and cut them up and store them in a container so they're already kind of cut and ready to just kind of snack on. That way they don't go bad as quick and I waste less. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of cutting up some strawberries so they're already there for the boys to snack on.
When you're around, I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate.
Moving into the family room, as you can see, it really was not in bad shape. Just a little unorganized and things just needed to be put away. But this basket of laundry that was sitting there, it had been sitting there for literally days, and I made the decision to just kind of re-wash them. You guys, that is just life for me sometimes. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but if I let a basket of laundry sit too long, I either need to just kind of deal with all the wrinkles, fix the wrinkles, or just re-wash them. But I decided to just re-wash them and get to the basket as soon as they're done in the dryer and just get them folded. So yeah, that is just life for me sometimes. But anyways, now I'm going to go with their toys. I'm going to sort through some of the toys actually and get rid of some that they just don't play with anymore, or ones that are some of Logan's little baby toys. And I need to actually come down here and really sort through their toys and bring some back upstairs. They have way too many down here right now, and I seriously need to get that done. It drives me insane sometimes.
Be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back.
Also, cue my little outfit change. But it was seriously crazy, you guys. I couldn't believe the kind of flooding that we were dealing with. So hopefully we have it fixed, or temporarily fixed, until the rain stops and we can actually have it really fixed so we don't have this problem again. You guys do see me taking some toys out of here, and I'm actually taking them into the hall closet downstairs. I actually try and store some of their toys in there, but I'm trying really hard not to put anything else in there right now just because I have to go in there and reorganize it. It is such a mess right now. It needs to be done ASAP. But that's where I'm just taking those toys just for the time being. everything is tidy up and cleaned, I'm going to just kind of take that cloth that I was using in the kitchen and wiping down the entertainment center, and then I will also wipe down the coffee table and the end table as well. This doorway cracks me up sometimes. There are a few times where there are so many pairs of shoes, it literally looks like we have an entire classroom in our house. All of us are so bad at just leaving shoes by the front door. There are times where I have to come in here and just be like, well, let's just take all of our shoes back upstairs and then start all over. But this bench surprisingly does not turn into a catch-all. I really thought it was going to, but it hardly ever gets bad with just clutter and things that get thrown onto the bench. So I am really happy about that, I have to say. And moving into the bathroom, like I said earlier, you guys, my house really was not a huge mess. It has seen worse days. And so anyways, I thought I would use these disinfectant wipes. I thought it was a good time to change things up a little bit and do a little bit of disinfecting in the bathroom, wiping off the light switch because Colton is constantly playing with the light switch in here when he comes in here and washes his hands. But I'm using those wipes on the sink, and then I'm also going to use them on the toilet. Once everything was pretty much all clean, I decided to clean out my diffuser, and then I am diffusing orange and lavender. It's literally one of my favorite blends. I use it all the time. And then I will move into the family room to just start folding the load of laundry that I started at the beginning of the video. Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this really quick clean with me as we tidied up the whole downstairs. It felt so good and I felt like I was back on top of it, getting things done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some extreme cleaning motivation to tackle some things on your to-do list. But don't forget to subscribe before you leave here, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!